Everybody is aiming for data science, but do we know that to enter the field of data science, we should understand what is analytics? Now, in this video, I will be talking about the analytics roadmap. Analytics itself is a very broad field. Everybody thinks that analytics is all about data analytics, but they are wrong. There are three major career paths in the field of analytics. It all starts with data analytics. There is a field called as business analytics and another field called as BI analytics. We will be talking about each one of them in this particular video. Now, analytics is nothing but the systematic computational analysis of data or statistics. It is used for the discovery, interpretation, and communication of meaningful patterns in data. It also entails applying data patterns towards effective decision making. It can be valuable in areas rich with recorded information. Now, there are three different areas or three different career paths which you can choose. You can become a data analyst, a business analyst, or a BI developer. And all of these paths leads towards the data science field. It's not mandatory for us to jump into data science, but in case you are aiming for a data scientist role or aiming to enter the field of data science, you always have to go through this particular path of analytics. Now, data analyst, what is a data analyst role? Now, data analysts gathers and processes large data sets. They analyze the collected data, unravels useful business insights to the company. Now, it all starts with junior data analyst. Now, if you're coming with an experience range of 0 to 2 years, you might come across a role which is called as junior data analyst. Now, talking about the tech stacks or the skill sets required for a junior data analyst and a senior data analyst, both of them have an equal amount of expertise. But of course, senior data analyst is expected to know the advanced topics as well. Talking about junior data analyst, they would be requiring an understanding on BI tools, which is known as business intelligence tools like Power BI, like Tableau, or any other BI tools. Database knowledge is a must because it all deals with databases and we try to extract data from databases and then do some analysis. MS Excel is one of the traditional tools and again a well-known tool which is used in many industries. Domain knowledge is not a must, but if you have, that's a great add-on. Programming basics are also required for a data analyst. However, it's not a must skill. And business analytics. Now, talking about senior data analyst, they will be having the same experience or the same skill sets like the junior data analyst. On top of that, we need data visualization expertise, little bit of machine learning basics, in-depth knowledge on BI tools, databases, MS Excel, business statistics, domain knowledge, and program basics. Domain knowledge here plays a very vital role because that helps you to identify the problem and deal with it. Going back, we will be talking about business analyst. Now, there is not much of difference between a data analyst and a business analyst, but business analysts are those who are very concerned about the business problem solving. They know what the business is all about and they are the right persons to understand and solve a business problem. They validate business requirements and they are kind of a mediator between the IT team and the stakeholders. Domain knowledge is a must. Communication skills is a must. Presentation skills is a must as well. On top of that, if you have SQL or database knowledge, Excel and data visualization knowledge, that makes your profile even stronger. Coming back to BI developers. Now, BI developers are not exactly a part of analytics, but some companies, they also treat BI developers as a BI analyst. Job role wise, they do exactly like the data analyst, but they are more concerned about their BI tools. Now, there are two different options. One is Power BI developer and Tableau developer. Power BI developer has all the skills like the data analyst, but what extra it has is the level of Power BI knowledge has to be advanced because his main task is to work on Power BI. Programming basics, databases, Excel, business statistics, and presentation skills are also required because as you would be working on the BI tools, you also need presentation skills. Similarly, there is not much of difference between Power BI developer and Tableau developer. So the only change here is Tableau advanced. That means you need to know Tableau very well. So all these all these fields lead to a path of data science. I hope you understood what exactly is your analytics roadmap, and I hope I am able to help you out in your next career transition.